Camp breakfast. Hell yeah. What's up, Lils? You chilling, Lillian? Chilling with the camper with this view of Superstition Mountain. Nice spot out here. I think I gotta flip these bad boys. Let's check. Let's check. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect. It's time. Yep, it's time. Sausage is almost ready to flip. No matter what kind of beer you like, IPAs, lagers, amber, ales, whatever, Modelo is always a good breakfast beer. Hey, where's brother in there? Is he in there chilling? Brother's in there, mama's in there, everyone's in there? Oh, there's Michael, let me see. There he is up there, taking a little break from the sun. It's a pretty warm morning out here in Superstition. Hi, babe. Hi, babe. You're on YouTube. Hi, babe. See you guys.